Hi, I'm John from Key Largo Shutters, and why do we use complete bay frames? Because not only can we match the true angle of the window, so this is one complete frame, it means there's no light gaps between each part, so it's the perfect fit for the window. It matches the angle perfectly, it follows the window around perfectly. You can get, some people will do these in individual panels, so it'll be 5 individual 4-sided panels and then screw them together through here. But you then get a light gap down here. You get the danger of these separating, and it's just not a good job. It's lazy measuring if you ask me. But our experience at Key Largo means that we can build complete bay frames. We can measure for complete bay frames in confidence, so we know it's going to go in and it's going to fit perfect every time. So if you've got a bay window and you want your shutter done right the first time, we are the right people. At Key Largo, we specialise in hardwood shutters because we are Surveyor Fitters, we know what we're doing and we do it right the first time every time.